Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my Blaze Type S. So this is the next gen Carbinox watch here. And so I wanted to show you guys it. I'm wearing it right now. So that's kind of how it looks on the wrist. I really like this and I just wanted to kind of give you guys the overview of how it works. So it came with everything that you need to register it. So it was super easy. And then it also obviously came with the charger, which is super easy too. But to add it, what you do is you actually scan a QR code that pops up on your phone, and then you go into the devices and you just click add device. But here it is right now. So I have my Blaze S right here on it. And so I could switch from anything, any type of wallpaper I want. So right here, this is all the different types of wallpapers I want. There you go. So I could choose any of them here, which is super sweet. And like, I'll choose this green looking one right here to show you guys. Sync dial. And so it is now syncing to my dial. Blah, blah, blah. There we go. So there we go. I just got my new screen on here now, and I just made it this kind of green guy. But anyway, I could switch it all the way around. I could switch it to, you know, I usually like to keep this kind of this travel one, so I'll sync that one back. But this app is sweet. So the really nice part is that it actually lets you track everything that you are doing. So it will actually tell you everything from your heart rate to, you know, how much activity you're doing, your sleep, and everything with it. So while I'm on here, I want to show you guys exactly the stats that it will show me here. So let me take it off for a sec to show you guys what the watch looks like too. So here it is. This thing is solid. I mean, you can see this thing is not, look, I just smacked it on there and you can see the screen looks completely fine, and it actually made more of a dent. You can see look right here, it actually made a dent in my wood from me smacking it, but you can see it has no damage on it. So this thing is perfect if you're looking for a watch that can just smack onto metal and different kind of surfaces like that, and then it looks completely fine. There you go. So I mean, when you're working and I mean, if you're out at the job or wherever it is and you drop this thing, it smacks into some cement on the side, this is not gonna break. So that is the sweet part about it. But let me get into it and show you guys all the other stuff it shows me. So if you were interested in seeing, you know, what your heart rate's looking like, there's that. You can check into your calories, so weekly, monthly. You can look at what you do, you know, your walks. Like I had a walk. This is me walking around the house. So I walked from 146 to 146, for example. It tells me every time I sort of walk around. But this is just me pacing around my house. But it tells me my blood oxygen percent, and then I can also set it to do, you know, pressure. It'll tell me my mood and everything like that. So I'm super excited for this. I'm gonna actually wear it for like a day or two here, and then I'm gonna come back to give you guys like my final opinion here. But this is also the charger for it, so it goes on like that. So I'll be right back, guys, but I'm happy to give you the first look at this. Hey guys, so I've been using my Carbinox for about 2 or 3 days now, and man, this thing is sweet. So I actually normally wear an Apple Watch, but with this thing, I could see much more data, and I feel like it's more accurate, so I like it. So I'm back here, and I just wanted to show you guys some of my stats here. So let me open it up here to show you guys. Blah, blah, blah. Let me look. Carbinox. So here we are. You know, I could see different things like my heart rate, how my sleep was, my blood oxygen level, all of that. So I just want to, and I can do sports too. I don't work out that much, but if you want, you could always click go and you could record your sports. That's mine. I can set my alarm, my address book. I can see everything in it. Man, this is a sweet watch. I really like it. This is the Blaze Type S. I mean, it is just so easy to use, and I really like it. It's really comfortable too, and the fact that it will not break. I mean, I scratch this everywhere. I let my friends kind of smack it on the ground to even show them how durable it is, and we love this thing. So I'm really gonna give this a thumbs up, and this is great. It's got so many different settings you can put on it. It's got everything you need. Thumbs up from me.